If you're tired of just getting by and want to build real wealth, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the 4 critical things you must absolutely avoid if you want to get rich. And trust me, these are the common pitfalls that can derail your path to financial prosperity. So, don't go anywhere. You don't want to miss this. But before we dive into the juicy details, here's a quick fact that'll blow your mind. Did you know that the top 1% of the world's population owns more wealth than the bottom 90% combined? That's a staggering statistic, right? But here's the kicker. Those 1% weren't just born into wealth, they took the right steps, avoided the wrong ones, and you can do it too. Stick around to discover the 4 deadly mistakes you should steer clear of to join the ranks of the financial elite. Mistake number 4, debt traps. Want to get rich? Avoid falling into the debt abyss like quicksand. It's tempting to splurge on credit cards or take out loans for non-essential purchases, but the interest rates will keep you shackled to financial mediocrity. We'll show you how to manage your debt effectively, increase your credit score, and use it to your advantage. Did you know that the average credit card interest rate is around 16% in the United States? That means if you carry a balance on your credit card, you're essentially paying an additional 16% on everything you buy. It's like pouring money down the drain. This is why it's essential to avoid accumulating high-interest debt. Managing your debt effectively starts with creating a budget, setting limits on your credit card usage, and paying off your balances in full each month. It's a simple yet powerful strategy that can free you from the shackles of debt and put you on the path to wealth. Mistake number 3, not investing. Are you guilty of letting your money sit idle in a savings account? Well, that's like burying your financial dreams in the backyard. Avoid this mistake. We'll reveal the secrets of smart investing, how to diversify your portfolio, and make your money work for you. Imagine making your money grow while you sleep. We'll show you how. One common misconception is that investing is only for the wealthy or financially savvy. That couldn't be further from the truth. You don't need a huge sum of money to start investing. In fact, the earlier you start, the better. Compound interest is a powerful force that can turn even small investments into significant wealth over time. To avoid the mistake of not investing, begin by setting up an emergency fund, ideally covering 3 to 6 months of living expenses. And once you have that safety net, consider investing in low-cost index funds, individual stocks, or other investment vehicles that align with your financial goals. Diversification is key to reducing risk and maximizing returns. Mistake number 2, living beyond your means. Flashy cars, designer clothes, and dining out every night might seem like the high life, but they're also a surefire way to stay poor. It's time to avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation. We'll guide you on how to budget wisely, cut unnecessary expenses, and live within your means without sacrificing your happiness. Living within your means doesn't mean living a life of extreme frugality and sacrifice. It's about aligning your spending with your values and financial goals. To avoid this mistake, start by creating a budget that outlines your income and expenses. This simple practice can help you identify areas where you can cut back without compromising your overall quality of life. Allocating your money towards your financial priorities, such as saving and investing, will ensure that you're on the right track to wealth. Mistake number 1, procrastination. The most common mistake of all is putting off your financial goals. Time is your most valuable asset, and the earlier you start, the richer you can become. We'll teach you how to set achievable financial goals, create a roadmap, and stay motivated on your journey to financial success. Procrastination is your enemy. We'll help you conquer it. Procrastination is a sneaky wealth killer. It's easy to tell yourself that you'll start saving and investing someday, or that you'll create a financial plan when you have more time. The truth is, there's never a perfect time to start. The sooner you begin, the more time your investments have to grow. In the world of investing, this can be more valuable than the amount you invest.